wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. In today's video, I will share with you a simple and quick recipe on how you can make your own bug repellent roller ball. If this is something that you would want to see, please keep watching. Since it's dengue season, I'm sure you'll find this recipe very useful. So for today, you will be needing your aloe vera oil because aloe vera is great for healing your skin. You will need your clove and peppermint oil. Plus, very important, you will need your citronella oil. Citronella is actually known to repel mosquitoes. Peppermint is known to repel ants, while clove is great to repel all the other bugs. Alright, so first you will need your 10 ml roller ball bottle. I get mine really dark, so this one is pitch black. You will need 2 drops of your clove oil. Today I am using the Aroma clove oil. This is one of their best sellers. Okay. And then you will need 5 drops of your citronella oil. For today I am using Acacia. This is from Healthy Options. Okay. And top it off with 3 drops of your peppermint oil. If you have lemongrass, you can also add that in the mixture. So instead of using 5 citronella, you can probably put 3 lemongrass and 2 citronella. Now we have placed all the oils inside the roller bottle. You can fill it up with your choice of carrier oil. So for today, I am using my aloe vera oil thanks to Cedar Alley Enterprise. You can also use other carrier oils like jojoba oil or rosehip oil or even sweet almond oil. It's up to you. But today I am using aloe vera oil because this is great to moisturize your skin. And then once that is filled, just put in the roller ball. Okay, now that your roller is tightly secured, just put the cap back on and very lightly mix the oils together. You don't have to shake it vigorously to prevent oxidation. Just lightly shake them together. Okay, now that is done, here's your instant bug roller. It smells very citronella and very minty, which repels bugs effectively. You can also put in the same mixture inside the spray bottle. This is a 10 ml spray bottle. It doesn't have to be amber or colored because you're not really using anything that's citrus. So the same recipe I put in here plus witch hazel, and I shook it vigorously just to mix the oils and the witch hazel together, and you have your own bug spray. There you go. It smells very citronella, so it's very effective in repelling mosquitoes. So you can spray this before you go outdoors. I'm sure this is very effective. Or you can apply this to whenever you have mosquito bites. You can also add in lemon and frankincense to help heal the dark spots once you have bitten by mosquitoes. Before I end this video, I would like to invite you guys to come join my workshop this April 28th at Yoga Plus Ortigas in Podium Mall. So the registration is open and I will put the link below. Come in your athleisure attire. You don't even have to worry about your yoga mat because your yoga mats and your yoga towels will be provided. Just be there in your athleisure wear and bring your own tumbler and enjoy a make and take session with me plus 1 hour yoga care of Yoga Plus. So don't forget to sign up today for my April workshop and you get to win this full-size pure Moroccan argan oil from Organic Associates. The first 25 registrants will get this in their loot bag. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you've enjoyed this. And don't forget to share this in your Facebook wall to let your friends know how to make their own bug repellent spray or roller. And I'll see you in my next DIY video. Bye!